Hello everybody, welcome to another little tidbit from Direct Pro Audio here. Today we're going to talk about something that bothers me a whole lot, and that is the buy three get one sound system. Now what does that mean? That sounds kind of weird. Here's what it means. It means that when you go to get a new sound system, maybe for mobile DJ, for church, for your entertainment venue, whatever it is, a lot of times people will go with the least dollar amount sound system. That makes sense. You're trying to save money. You got to do well by your congregants and your attendees to all of your events. So I understand that. But at the same time, what usually winds up happening is you buy the sound system that doesn't cut it. Then you have to go in and update things or upgrade things, get bigger speakers, amplifiers with more headroom, whatever the case may be. And what winds up happening is when you take that first sound system and you add all of these extra expenses to it, then you wind up with the sound system that you should have bought in the first place. So people wind up spending a lot more than just that entry-level base price that they bargained for, thinking that would solve their problem. And when it doesn't, you have to add all these other pieces in that do solve the problem. So here's some ideas on how to buy a proper sound system for whatever your use may be. This works again for entertainment venues, to churches, to mobile DJs, whatever, doesn't matter. Contemplate what your largest use would be. What is the sound system going to be used the most for? And let's just say that a sound system that you're contemplating buying will meet your needs 80% of the time. That's an excellent purchase on a sound system. If you have something that exceeds the capability of your sound system only 20% of the time, then it's usually less money for you to rent whatever you need, bring that in and add it to your system. So for instance, if you were a mobile DJ and you had a pair of dual 15-inch two-way full range drivers, speakers. And then you got a big gig. It's bigger than what you're normally used to doing. Go out and rent some subwoofers. It's not a big deal. The cost is low and you're not hauling those things around all the time when you don't need them. Same thing happens in a church or an entertainment venue. If you are always going to have reggae in there or soft jazz, and then that's 80% of your business, why would you buy a sound system that's capable of having AC/DC come in there and blow the roof off the joint? It doesn't make sense. So just buy the sound system that you need that meets your requirements for your typical usage 80% of the time. That's going to save you money, it's going to sound great, and it's going to be very impressive. There is one thing that we do say in the audio business that I'll just let you in on. When you get a new sound system, people are generally very, very happy. Over half, about half the people out there can't tell a decent sound system if it came in and hit them over the head. So if you have achieved a 50% improvement in the sound quality over your last sound system, then typically those that frequent your venue or your church are 100% satisfied. So keep that little tidbit in mind, help you think about things when you're contemplating purchasing a new sound system. And if you have any questions, obviously, don't hesitate to send us an email. Have a great day. Thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.